Have you ever wondered what would happen if you cut out almost every carb and fat and ate nothing but protein for an entire week? Most people think the answer is obvious: more muscle, rapid fat loss, endless energy. But by day 3, something happened that completely changed my expectations. And if you're considering trying this yourself, there's one mistake almost everyone makes that can ruin the entire experiment. Let's break it down. Here's the first thing people get wrong. They hear high protein and somehow translate that into protein only. Those are two completely different things. Protein is essential. Your muscles need it. Your body uses it to repair tissues, make hormones, and even support your immune system. But imagine trying to build a house using only bricks. No cement, no wood, no wiring, no windows. Eventually, construction stops. Your body works the same way. So before I even started, I knew this wasn't going to be a sustainable diet. The real question was, what would happen over just 7 days? The first couple of days actually felt pretty good. I stayed full much longer than usual. Protein is incredibly satisfying, which naturally reduced cravings. My calorie intake also dropped without really trying. At this point, it almost felt like I had discovered a secret hack. But then came day 3. This is where things started getting interesting, because while my hunger stayed under control, my energy didn't. By the middle of the week, workouts felt noticeably harder. Simple tasks required more effort. My body was running low on its preferred fuel, carbohydrates. Yes, your body can adapt over time by increasing fat use and making glucose from protein. But that transition isn't always smooth. Think of it like switching your car from gasoline to another fuel overnight. It can still run, just not very efficiently at first. And here's another surprise. Eating massive amounts of protein doesn't automatically mean more muscle. Your body can only use so much protein for muscle building at one time. The rest gets used for energy or other processes. That realization changed how I looked at protein forever. By the end of the week, I definitely lost weight. But here's the catch. Not all weight loss equals fat loss. Some of it was likely water. I also noticed digestion became less comfortable. Without enough fiber, things slowed down. This is the part that many social media transformations conveniently leave out. The scale tells one story, your body tells another. So, was eating only protein worth it? As an experiment, absolutely. As a long-term strategy, not even close. Protein works best when it's part of a balanced diet. If you're trying to build muscle or lose fat, here's a challenge. Instead of asking, how can I eat only protein? Ask, how can I build every meal around quality protein while still giving my body everything else it needs? That one mindset shift can completely change your results. Nutrition isn't about finding the most extreme strategy. It's about finding the one you can actually sustain. If you learned something new today, stick around, because sometimes the biggest fitness myths hide behind ideas that sound completely logical, and those are exactly the ones worth questioning.